One of my biggest obsessions is loaded tots. The possibilities are endless. Today we're doing a pizza loaded tacho. It's full of pepperoni, my favorite pepperoncinis, black olives, lots of freshly grated mozzarella cheese. You guys are gonna love this one, so let me show you how. Frozen tater tots or even frozen fries are something that I always have on hand. It's so easy to pull them out and griddle them up and load them with anything that you have in your fridge. With endless possibilities, tachos are definitely one of my go-tos to feed a crowd, especially when it comes to last minute. Today I'm craving pizza loaded, and I always have all of those toppings on hand. Sliced pepperoni, my favorite pepperoncinis, some black olives I sliced up, and I always keep Galbani mozzarella cheese in the fridge. This I shred by hand, which is key to that beautiful cheese pull at the end. I've got a jar of Delalo's pizza sauce. I love anything Delalo brand. We'll get our Blackstone preheating. We'll turn this to low to start. I have a small, shallow pot that I'm gonna drop down my pizza sauce to warm up directly on the Blackstone Griddle surface. In the meantime, we've got to get these tots nice and crispy, and the key to a crispy tater tot is using the right kind of oil or fat to griddle them in. My number one choice is duck fat. However, I'm out of it, so my second choice would be extra light tasting olive oil, one of my favorite kinds of oils that I use in most of my recipes for you guys. I have some of that in my squirt bottle, but I'm not going to use that just yet. I'm going to drop down our frozen tater tots that I took out of the refrigerator about 10 minutes before this cook. You don't want to go dropping down ice cold food onto a hot griddle. I'm going to allow these tater tots to slowly thaw on low heat. Once they begin to thaw, I'll bump up my heat some to medium, slide these aside, and get down some of my extra light tasting olive oil. Spread that around, and then gently using my spatula to shimmy underneath these tater tots so that they do not break. Get them nice and coated in oil. After a few minutes, you'll want to drizzle on a little extra oil and continue to shimmy these around until they become nice and crispy golden brown. So long as you don't rush this with high heat, these tater tots can really hang out on this griddle for quite some time and become nice and crispy without burning. Be sure to keep an eye on your pizza sauce. Give it a little mix here and there if needed. I'm going to flavor these up with some of our garlic salt, oregano, lots of oregano, and as soon as you do that, you can instantly smell pizza. Zhuzh these up a little bit further with some of our Blackstone Tutto Italiano. These tater tots are perfect just like this. You could take them off and dip them in some pizza sauce or marinara or marinara. Give them a gentle shimmy just to coat these in that seasoning. And now time to grab our pepperoni, and we're going to go down right on a dry griddle surface about medium heat and allow our pepperoni to crisp up. If you've never griddled up pepperoni to make yourself some pepperoni chips, please run and try it. They are so delicious. There's no need to even flip these. After a couple of minutes, you could pull these off, allow them to cool on a cooling rack, and you've got yourself some crispy, crunchy pepperoni chips. For today, these are going in our pizza tachos, so let's get these assembled. I'm gonna be using my burrito bowls. If you use a baking dish or an oven-safe tray like those throwaway tin trays, you can then stick these into your pizza oven or even your air fryer if your dish fits, and let everything really melt through. For me, this hot pizza sauce is going to help melt our cheese and give us that beautiful cheese pull. Just watch. We'll go down with a layer of our crispy, crunchy tater tots, some of our freshly shredded mozzarella cheese, our hot pizza sauce, a little extra cheese, and then add some of our toppings, our olives, our pepperoni, our peppers, and our olives, and then repeat the process. Some extra sauce, some extra cheese, and then we'll repeat the process with another layer of our tater tots and all of our toppings. Before diving into this, I'm going to allow it to sit just a minute so that our hot crispy tater tots and our hot pizza sauce can begin to melt that cheese. We'll dust it with a little extra oregano, Tutto Italiano, garlic salt, and I cannot wait a second longer. It is time for me to enjoy these. You guys are going to love these. Get creative with what you add to your tachos. I've showed you guys so many different ideas, from chili cheese dog loaded tachos, cheesesteak tachos, a pulled Mexican beef tacho, which is one of my favorites, some buffalo chicken tachos, jalapeno popper tachos. One of Griddle Nation's favorite of mine, I know, is my sausage gravy loaded tachos. Those are an absolute must. No matter what you're griddling up to add to your tachos, I want to see them. So be sure to show me your tots. Be sure to post a picture and tag me, Blackstone Betty, and tag Blackstone products so that we can reshare your creations, and let me know down below what your favorite topping is. And while you're at it, be sure to check out all of the recipes within the Blackstone network. I'm Blackstone Betty. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you guys in the next video.